Hey guys, it'll be the Cars Workshop and a motorcycle garage too. anyways, here's the Honda, the VFR 750 V4. So it's got all the fairings on and everything. Looks pretty good. So yeah, it actually came out pretty good. The decals are a bit of a pain in the ass. So anyway, it turned out alright. So that's how I'll post the video. It's done. And these are kind of fragile kind of things, so you're going to be touching them too much, right? So definitely not a toy to be played with. So it has a nice little fancy stand on there, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, so anyways, pretty happy the way it turned out, other than the decal problem, but it was pretty good. So a couple of fitment issues, but that's just the way it is. Anyways, turned out pretty good. I wish my camera was a little better to do a little bit better video, pick up all the details and stuff on it. So something if I had spare parts, I would have put dual exhaust on it, because some of these actually came with, you could put dual mufflers on them. It's kind of cool. So anyways, or super trap or whatever, it's kind of cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the final on that project there, and the other one's coming up soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.